Ktaykit. This is chicken cubes.
Chicken cubes. And this is Sprite.
Sprite.
Mountain Dew. This is. And these ones are fries and the chicken.
That's their broast.
Their broth. And these are the sauce.
What's that sauce?
Let me see. Garlic sauce. And another garlic sauce. No, it's not garlic. It's cocktail sauce. And then garlic sauce and garlic chicken.
Say hi, Daddy.
Ketchup and ketchup.
Mag-hi ka. How about you? Say hi.
Hi.